Hi there. I thought I'd just do a quick update for those who use Excel and not LibreOffice, just to do the budget again, just to show you how it works. It's a very similar process. It's just a little bit more difficult because Excel, I don't think, is as good as LibreOffice, and you have to pay for it. So let's start with exactly what we did. We're going to say 1, and with LibreOffice, do you remember we just dragged that and but unfortunately with Microsoft it doesn't do it. So you have to type 1 and then you have to type 2, then you have to block both of them, and then you drag that little dot down, and now it will do a row of numbers for you up to, what do we want? 31. All right. It's fine. It's just a little bit more difficult than LibreOffice, but not the end of the world. What was 1 again? 1 was Thursday. The 1st of October was Thursday, so I'm going to write Thursday. Luckily with this, it's quite easy. Again, you just take that little dot and you drag it down, and now I've got my calendar for the month. And then I'm going to put in how much money I made every day. I made 400 then, I made 800 then, I made 800 then, I had 3 patients then, etc., etc., etc. So that's essentially what you do. You just add in every day the amount that you made in terms of income coming in. And again at the bottom, this is the last thing you do, second last thing you do, Alt equals. Press them both and enter. And it's added up the month. And again, if you make a mistake, Tuesday was 800, not 1,200. Look at the bottom here, it's going to automatically change it. So it's really just a calculator, but it's a little bit more flexible than a calculator. And again, rename that, because I'm going to call that one October 2024. And you're good to go. And this is your income for the month. If you want, this is not essential, but I like to do it as well. Why not add your expenses? And we'll just keep it simple. Your rent is 5,000. Your electricity is 1,000. Your phone is 80. Your petrol is 1,000. Your savings, because you must put money back into the business, is, let's say, 500, and I need to remember to take something for tax. Let's make that 10%, so I'm going to put that to one side for tax. Yeah, and again, exactly the same thing. You're just going to add up, it was here, you're going to add up those figures, and the last one you're going to do is say profit, and that is going to be down here, and I'm going to say equals that, and when I say that, I'm just touching my mouse over that number, that minus that, and we're finished. We're finished. Is that too difficult? I hope not. Again, LibreOffice, they like to make things complicated. Microsoft Office, they make things complicated. I can't just simply click a button to say duplicate, which I could with LibreOffice. So I have to say move or copy, move to end, and create a copy. So it's like 4 mouse clicks instead of 1. But anyway, now I've done it. And that one I'm going to rename, and I'm going to say November 2024. And November, of course, the days will be different. So I'll just have a look there. Friday would be the 1st. So that's Friday the 1st. And again, I just hold that little dot down like that, and I've done my calendar for the month. Yeah? And I'm going to delete all of that because November I'm going to start again and add figures in November depending on what I earned, etc., etc., etc. And once you've done this first one, you see how easy it is to do the second one, because you've done all of this already. And these expenses are not really going to change. The only thing that will change every month is your income. And if your expenses do change, well, it's not the end of the world. You simply change, your rent has gone up to 6,000 from 5,000. So that's Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, and that's how you do it with Microsoft Excel. The last thing you do, of course, is save it. And again, Microsoft, they want to save it in something called OneDrive. I don't know what OneDrive is. I don't want anything to do with OneDrive. I have to go through a whole performance to find my documents. They're probably here somewhere. Here they are. Okay. Test Excel. Finally, I've saved it in my documents. Microsoft. What can I say?